Alright guys, just want to show you how to navigate the updated US government Google Classroom. A lot of people have questions when they come in. They think it's only Ms. Furdock because she's created the Google Classroom, but it's actually for all the government students, honor, standard, anybody who's in US government that's not advanced placement or AP government. When you come in, the stream has all the updates from your teachers. You'll notice I'm there, Mr. Belizzi's there, Mr. Bussing's there, Ms. Furdock's there. Everybody's posting in this. When you go to the classwork tab over here, then you'll see that we have reorganized the work. You'll see that it's in alphabetical order by teacher. Some of these things are older. Right now, I know Mr. Belizzi's offering these two things for his students. Mr. Bussing's got the Unit 6 test corrections, like myself, and Ms. Furdock posted in the stream, which is right here on March 31st. Okay. If you're looking for any old work, you can go down to whatever unit it was in, and we did this MELT project or started it, and we're going to do something else with that once we get to the actual online learning piece. For now, I just wanted to show you where everything was at. Please email any of us or comment in Google Classroom. No matter how you communicate online, we'll be able to see it. Just reach out if you have questions.